There is an artist in each household in this village. Yes, you heard it right. We are in Raghurajpur, a heritage craft village of Puri district, where there is an artist in each household of this village. Just a few kilometers away from the temple city of Odisha, Raghurajpur has always been the abode of art. Before going further, please subscribe our channel Get GI by clicking at the bell icon to know more such untold stories of India. Let's talk about an art form which dates back to 12th century BC, more than 3000 years ago, when Oriya painters started making chitra on a patta, means a scroll or a piece of cloth, mostly as a religious offering to temples. Patta chitra paintings was highly inspired by Lord Jagannath, an incarnation of Lord Krishna, who has been the major source of inspiration. The subjects of a Pattachitra mostly dwells in between mythological stories, religious and excerpts from folklores. Frozen in time, the Raghurajpur paintings depict the folklores in the same way as they were depicted centuries ago. Interestingly, this unique tradition of making pattachitras are being passed from one generation to another, but some secrets are not revealed even to them. We at Get GI are always in search of the Indian root, so meeting up an artist from Raghurajpur village was on top of our list. Thus, today we are at the workshop of Jyotirindra Nayak, who is an award-winning Pattachitra artist who will tell us about his journey of making Pattachitras.
That is my traditional work. Is a palm leaf engraving. Collecting the palm leaf, then is the stitching by the needle and thread, then is the engraving by the stylus. Stylus is a two type of stylus: traditional stylus and two tools and different work. Traditional tools is doing to alpha beta, and that process is to up to down. First engraving, then is the applying the color using lamp axe and wood apple gum. Product one solution, then polish and all the entire. Then wash and sabun water. Then the finishing that work. All are painting to doing the mythological stories. That story of Lord Ganesh, how to born in Ganesh. But continue, one plot is one on stories.
There is another interesting update of how technically the chitras are being restored. Let's hear it from Chittaranjan Sovain, an aspiring artist from the young generation of Raghurajpur village.
पट्टचित्र बहुत फेमस माने जेबेटू जगन्नाथ मंदिर अच्छे सेबेटू पट्टचित्र चलती आम माने परंपरा आम देखी आम जो गुरु थे डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ महापात्र से आम गाँव 140 घर प्रति घरे ये कम हुए प्रति घरे आर्टिस्ट समस्ते करती कम आम गाँव नेशनल अवार्ड अच्छा स्टेट अवार्ड अच्छा मेरिट अच्छा पद्मश्री पद्मविभूषण शिल्पगुरु समस्त माने मिली आउ भी समस्त भी अवार्ड मिलूँ धीरे धीरे जो पट्टचित्र कहूँ सार जोड़े सूता लुगा आम जो तेंदुली मंजी खाऊ छेचिकी रांधि दौच रांधिले अठा हो अठाटा को छात उपर तले लगे गोटे शाढ़ी तापर आउ गोटे थर अठा लगे आउ गोटे शाढ़ी दुईटा को पेस्ट करके फिर उठेकरी सुखीगला चक पाउडर व्हाइट चक लगे पत्थर अच्छी स्टोन तादे पॉलिश करुचु या पॉलिश करके एमती ड्र कर पेंसिल ड्र करके आउटलाइनिंग पर मेन जिनस ब्लैक लाइनिंग आउ जो कलर सार सब नेचुरल कलर जो व्हाइट कलरटा समुद्र शंखटा आ घरे जो डिबी जलाऊँ कला आ हरिताल हेंगुड़ नील 5टा कलर 25-30 कलर बाहर कर मिक्स करके 2008 जिओ रेजिस्टर्ड आम गाँ होता रघुराजपुर जे कि से बहुत लोक आसती गाँव को देखा पट्टचित्र शिल्प देखा पट्टचित्र तालपत्र सब कम देखते जे कि करोना 9 मास कहीं गाँव को आसुना आपड़ जदि किसी जिनस ने गेट जीआई तरफ आपण ऑनलाइन सुधा नहीं पारे।
This is how Raghurajpur has always been the home of this exquisite art. The Pattachitra paintings, Gotipua dance, paper masks are all has been accredited and GI tagged from the Government of India. Developed as a heritage village by the Indian National Trust for Art is an endeavor itself. Now, collect this unique piece of our heritage sitting at the comfort of your own home. Just click on getgiglobal.com and restore the lost heritage of our country. Stay tuned. GetGI will get back to you on more such videos on art and craft and the lost heritages of our country. Thank you.